Hi everyone, my name is Anirudh Gupta, and in this video we will learn how to solve content duplicate. Here we can see given an integer array nums return true if any value appear at least twice. So it means it can be more than twice as well. So return true if it show at least twice, return false if every element is distinct. Here what we can do is we can also learn about constant. So this could be 10 power of 9. So this items can have the value with this, and this thing is like it can have 10 power of 5. That is how many item we can have in the array. Here we can what we can see is like here it has duplicate returning true, and the things that is mentioned here like it is twice. We can see it has multiple and more than two instances of in the same array. So what we can do is like we can write a loop with the so in brute force approach what we will do, we will write a nested array. So for example, I will write one for loop, and within that I will write another loop, nested loop, where I will be comparing to j, and since both are can be used the item directly from index, we don't need to have any space complexity. Space complexity will be 0, and time complexity will be n square. Time complexity wise, that thing is pretty bad. So what we can do, we can use hash set. Hash set let you have the numbers without any duplicate item in the same hash set. So suppose if I add these numbers in the hash set, it will give like 1 2 3. The fourth item, or we can say item at index 3, will be ignored because we already have one. So this means if I check a length of the hash set, it will be 3 when the list will have the item length 4. Why? Because list if I add multiple item in the list, they will have all the items, the all item. Suppose I added one item at 4 times in the same array, same list, it will be appear 4 times because it does not have any feature to remove the duplicates. But HashSet will not allow you to add more same item again and again. So here we will have in HashSet we will have length 3, but in the list we will have count, that is 4. So what I did here, I mention num length, dot length. It will be 4, and here we will have 3. It will not match. So this thing is work. This thing is will work. I have run this thing, and it is working. So this is the way you can solve this question. Thanks for watching video. Goodbye.